Why can't you remember being a baby? Even though your brain was recording everything, you have thousands of memories. You can recall your first day of school. You can taste the cake from your 8th birthday. You can hear your mother's voice from last week. But you cannot remember a single moment from your first 3 years of life. Not one. Your brain was there. Your eyes were open. Your ears were working. Yet it's all gone. Completely erased. This is called infantile amnesia. And the real answer for why it happens is far stranger than you think. Here's what most people believe. Babies' brains are too underdeveloped to form memories. Simple. Logical. Wrong. Researcher Carol Peterson at Memorial University discovered something startling. Babies as young as 2 years old can form memories. They can recall events weeks later, but by the time you turn 4 or 5, those memories vanish. They don't fade slowly. They disappear. It's as if someone reached into your mind and deleted the files. So your brain wasn't broken. Something else was happening. The answer involves a process called neurogenesis. Your hippocampus, the brain region that stores memories, was actively generating new neurons during your infancy. Millions of them. Every single day, your brain was literally rebuilding itself. And here's the cruel part. Every time a new neuron was born, it overwrote the old neural pathways. The memories encoded in those pathways got erased. Your brain was rewriting itself so aggressively that it couldn't hold on to anything. Neuroscientist Paul Franklin at the University of Toronto ran an experiment with mice. He let them form memories in a specific cage. Then he artificially increased neurogenesis in their hippocampus. The mice forgot. They had no recollection of the cage, even though the memory had been there moments before. When he slowed neurogenesis, the memories stuck around. The new neurons were literally overwriting the old ones. But there's another layer. Even if your brain had preserved those memories, you wouldn't be able to access them. Your sense of self, your identity, didn't exist yet. Memory doesn't just record events. It records them in relation to you, who you are, what matters to you, your values, your personality. A 2-year-old doesn't have that yet. Your brain was recording everything, but there was no you to organize it, no narrative thread to tie it together. The memories were orphaned. They had nowhere to attach. This is why your earliest real memory, the one you can actually recall, usually arrives around age 3 or 4. By then, your neurogenesis had slowed down. Your sense of self was crystallizing. Your brain could finally hold on to moments because it had a framework for storing them. So you didn't forget your infancy. Your brain was too busy becoming itself. Every moment you've forgotten was the price of becoming you. Your earliest memories aren't missing because your brain was weak. They're gone because your brain was working so hard to build the person you are now that it had to erase who you were then. You cannot remember being a baby because you were not yet yourself.
Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.